Hi guys, this is 2015 Toyota Prius C. So this car had a problem is that when we starting in the engine, the bad rattle noise. You can see start engine. So we're going to remove the injectors. It's in here. 1, 2, 3, 4 injectors. Take it out and the cleaning. We have to off all this stuff, the manifold air cleaner, duct, and this pipe to take it out the 4 injectors. Okay guys, we off the all 4 injectors connectors. So then have to off this 12mm big bolt. Okay, this is the number 1 injector. This tip is completely blocked. Number 2. Number 3. Here got the number 4 injector. Okay guys, you can see the injectors, the tips. You can see that this injector, the front nozzles all blocked, completely blocked. That's why getting for that rattle for the engine, the knocking noise. This one little bit okay. This one is a slightly blocked. Okay, we have to put this one sock for the brake cleaner or something, the throttle body cleaner. So soak the injectors. Okay, so I'm leaving this one half an hour for the socket. So then after clean the inside of the injector. So I'm going to clean the injectors. I put the pipe in there. I connect my 12-volt battery. You can see the injector is working when you touch in the negative side. You can see the injectors activate and deactivate. So I'm going to fill the throttle brake cleaner. Okay guys, so we cleaned all the 4 injectors. You can see the tips now very clean. So then after you have to put back this O-ring back together. So then after you have to put them back the injectors. You can see the black O-ring in there. All the black O-rings there. The 4 O-rings. Okay, we're going to back together all the 4 injectors. Number 2. Okay, let's sit on there. Good. So we have to tighten these 2 12mm bolts. Make sure all the lines in. You can turn the injectors. That means that's in. So guys, after we install the injectors, we're going to start the car. Okay guys, car is running fine. Most of the problems, the injector is blocked. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one. Thanks.